Do you have an error with the Wmploc Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll guide you through the diagnostic to restore system stability and get Windows Media Player resources working again. While preparing the manual steps for Wmploc Library, check for an official tool to assist with background synchronization. This is the Wmploc Library, the Windows Media Player Localization Resource Library. It contains the translated string tables, localized dialog templates, and localized icons for the WMP user interface. If missing, the player will launch with a resource not found error or display unreadable text. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. Wmploc belongs to a graphics runtime used by games and 3D applications. Installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime repairs legacy DirectX components, while GPU driver updates address OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA files. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Wmploc Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Replacing Wmploc Library without a proper engineering protocol can lead to DLL hell, where multiple versions of the file conflict and paralyze your OS. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. Review options for improving system stability and resource management by consulting the diagnostic information linked below for Wmploc Library. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure Wmploc Library remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.